Hey there, everyone. I decided to do this little short video. I've had some people ask about whether or not this backhoe is capable in hard soil. Well, I live here in Newfoundland, and they call it the rock for a reason. The soil here is really hard, tons of rocks, and even some huge ones. But here, I'm actually going to be digging in some virgin soil. To my knowledge, right? It's nobody's ever disturbed the soil here in this area, and it's pretty hard, pretty tough going. So no, I just wanted to put a video out there to just let everyone see how the backhoe operates in hard soil. So I just want to add that since I've purchased this, it's been probably a year and a half now. So I've been operating it for a couple of springs and summers, and last fall as well. I am thoroughly pleased with the unit. It's exceeded my expectations. It's for now, of course it's not a commercial unit, but I'm just using it here around the house, moving soil, moving trees, digging up here and there, and with the soil that we have here in Newfoundland, it's been awesome. Just to put that out there. I'm certainly not getting anything from anybody. I purchased the unit, and this is an honest review of the unit here. So okay. So actually, what I'm doing here is I'm digging. Just well, first I had troubles with the garage. Garage is probably 50 years old. Well, pretty close to it. And when the corner of the building looked like it was actually starting to sink down or settle, so I figured that that I should check on it there and see what was happening. So I dug up around the section there, and the wooden sill was completely gone, just completely gone. So I ended up having to dig up around the door out to the end of the building. Ended up removing the old sill and putting in a new one with the joist and the studs and plate were all completely gone. So it was a bit of a task trying to get that done. So now what I'm actually doing is that I would like to put in an outdoor plug over next to the garden, because we have some lights and stuff there that we'd like to get going. So right now I'm just trying to dig this trench for the electrical line. Yeah, and of course you can see here on the video that I have a couple of teeth that are not standard with the unit when you buy it. Last year the teeth were they came on the bucket, and I just kind of wore them out. I think they're Moz steel, I'm pretty sure. So I cut those off. I ordered a couple of teeth on Amazon, and so I bolted those on, and then you'll see later in the video that I also made up this little straight bucket that I can use for landscaping as well. Of course, there's always a rock right in the place where you don't want it, and with this one, there's a rock right in the corner here. He's not huge, but he's stuck in there. He's pretty tight in there. So, but I do manage to get it out. There was several of those. If you look in the video over to the left, there was a couple of fair sized rocks in there, and that ground is pretty hard. So just to close this video out, yeah, I'm doing some kind of hard scraping and pounding here in the corner, because the ground is pretty hard. But I'd just like to say to anyone who's thinking about getting one of these things, I was a little hesitant at first, and I watched a lot of videos online. You can see a lot there where people are digging in pretty soft ground, but I just wanted to put something on here to show you that here where I'm using it for the most part is pretty tough, right? So for anyone who wants one for home use, I wouldn't hesitate. For me, it's been solid gold. So I just want to put that out there. This little part here I made out of a piece of 6-inch plate, 6 by half. So what happens is that this just goes in here like that, and these bolts go down through.